pickle, 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 pickle.
Hey guys, it's Logan Bear here. So here like pickles. You eat it back! Sweet! Fun fact about some pickles originally cucumbers soaked in like vinegar and shit and salt and like stuff like that. Yeah. So I can draw pickles today. See ya.